So in today's video, I'm seeing a secret website you can now use to animate your AI image. Like in this website, this will help you to make your image to talk like in a dialogue part. You understand? Whereby 2 or 3 people are now talking and also acting the same way, like both their physical gesture and their about. Do you understand? So this is exactly what you be learning today on how you can make your AI image to talk in a dialogue part and also with this free tools. And this is very nice if you are trying to learn AI content. And it's very good to use. Okay. So guys, without not wasting your time, let's dive in. So the next thing I do is to head over to my AI app. So I'll be going with crowd. So this is exactly what I tell crowd. I use the voice mic to explain in detail. Please, if you're under AI content, movie content, I beg, try to bring in a little knowledge of yours in terms of your movie generating. Okay, don't let the app to do everything for you. Even though you don't even know how to end the movie, no problem. Tell the app the little knowledge you have. He will do the magic for you. Okay. So like this now, the app is analyzing the script it will give me. Now let's wait for the script to see the outcome. So the script is now ready. Okay. So here is the clip. Now let's click on the document to open it. So this is the title of our movie, The King's Second Wife. That is the title. Okay. So this is the first scene intro. Okay. Now let's scroll. Okay. So it's for the second scene at Balagun. This will give me a Yoruba movie. Well, no problem, sure. But this is their name, if I'm not mistaken. Okay. Further out. Okay, so for this our movie is under, like, we have 6 sims. No problem. Now that will not take me to the next step for me to get my consistent image. So this is exactly what I tell the app. Okay. You know one thing about this AI app is just you trying to instruct them exactly what you want. Okay. Now for this our consistent image, I want everything to be included because I want my image to be consistent in all the movie. So that's why I go ahead to tell the app, but I want both their age, their skin tone, their physical features, their hairstyle, their body style, the clothing style, the personality, the signature accessory. Like I want to make everything to be very unique. Do you understand? So that let it not be like tomorrow this person will change, another thing, this person will still change. No. So this app, AI app, is just about you instructing them. Instruct them exactly. Just tell them exactly what you want. Okay? Tell them exactly what you want. They will go ahead to do it because they know your text. Do you understand? So don't fold hard as you cannot do it. You can do it. Tell them this is exactly what I want and go ahead to pass it. They will do it. Okay. Now here is our consistent images. Okay. Here are they. It's like they are up to how many? Okay. They are up to 9. Yes, look at it. There are up to 9 consistent image we have in this scene. Okay. Now that will now take us to another stage for us to get our scene by scene image. This is exactly where I type it. Do you understand? Reply to crowd. I still go there to person this prompt. Now when I paste this prompt, I'm just trying to cover everything, like both the actions and everything in this scene. Okay. So that the app will go ahead to give me their scene by scene image, like in this scene, this is exactly the person you're going to see in this scene. In this scene, this is exactly the person you're going to see in this scene. Now, why we see this person in this scene, this is exactly the clothes the person will also be wearing. Do you understand? In this kind of action, this is exactly what the person will be doing. So this is all about what scene by scene image it mean. Do you understand? Because according to the script, like for scene one script, you use your scene one image, okay, and check where the action of that script is talking about, like where the action of the image is talking about, and go with it. Do you understand? So that's all about scene by scene image. Okay, so our scene by scene image is getting ready. One thing about this crowd, they always like to document their script. If we check, our main script is different document. Our consistent image is under different document. Our scene by scene image is under different document. No problem. So here comes our scene by scene image. Okay. So this one is for scene 2. Okay. And also, mind you, when you come to your scene by scene image, always make sure you pay serious attention for the names they mention on each scenes. Okay. So we're just going through our scene by scene images. What I love about this squad is that they always like to, like, they always make sure they break down for you. They break down your script very well for you so that it will be very nice. Okay, let me tell you the simple truth there. Do you see crowd? No use that app play. No use that app play. Go and download it. Go to Play Store. Go and download it. It's very easy. Okay, and the now for you to verify it is very simple. So go and download it and start making use of them and start making use of it. Yes, and start making use of it. Okay. Now after I'm done going through my scene by scene, this is exactly what I did next. I head over to my consistent image. Now, I don't like stress, so that's why I just want to make everything to be very simple and easy for us. Do you understand? Now go ahead to copy it. Every scene, as in every image in this my consistent image, like everything about it, I go ahead to copy it. Every person's name. I don't know how to talk it to, like, in everything, like everything about this my consistent email, I go ahead to copy it. So now when I copied it, I head over to my chat GPT and place it. Please, oh, I'm just trying to make everything to look more easy and simple for us. Do you understand? Me, I don't like stress. Okay, so that's why I just said come up with this plan. This thing worked perfectly for me, and I think it will work perfectly for you also. Now I see head over to my scene by scene image. I see copied everything in my scene by scene image. Like I copied everything. Now, mind you can still use this. Mind you, if you don't want to use this method, okay, just go ahead to generate your consistent image one after the other in any of your AI generating app. And after that, move over to your scene by scene image and start generating them one after the other. Okay. But if you want to use this method to get your images ready, also use this method. My dear, is very simple and it is very easy. Okay. Now I see head over to my ChatGPT again. Now under the place I placed the first one, our consistent image, I still go there to paste in the second one I just generated. Like I just copied from crowd. Now this is exactly what I tell ChatGPT. I say just calm down. Let me tell you what to do. You know, see this app. If you didn't tell them, just go ahead to be doing what you don't want them to do. Because I just following our instruction. So this is exactly what ChatGPT tell me. Absolutely, I'm following along. Go ahead and tell me exactly what you want me to do with this character Bible and sheet short and list. Okay, I want Barbara Kushia saying it. I beg time no day. Now tell the app, oh yeah, go through the script and generate scene one for me. Do you understand? Now the app have analyzed my script like the thing I just pasted here now and is now checking. Okay, I see them. Oh yeah, generate scene one. So this is exactly what I tell the app again. It's still giving me another this thing again. Now let me tell you once now about this AI of a thing. Okay, I noticed something while I was generating this thing. I made a mistake. Quite alright. This is the mistake I made. If you check that list, like if you check that our scene by scene image crowd gave us, I think each image, like each sims, we have 6 images. Each sims we have, don't worry, I will show you. Each look at it. We have each sims, we have 6 images. Like under scene one, we have 6 images, which I made a mistake. Like I could have just specify it. Like scene 1.1. Do you understand? So that the app will understand what I'm trying to say. Normally, sometimes they just go ahead to give you one scene, but this one, the app go ahead to narrate everything. Do you see? This crowd is too much. Oh. The crowd go ahead to break down everything for us, so that when you see this action, you first of all use this action. Do you understand? So everything be like you should let it look like real. I don't know if you understand what I'm trying to say. They're trying to make everything to look like very real for us. Do you understand? Now you can see when I tell the app, I see 1.1. That is where you have understand what I'm trying to say. So for our scene 1.1, the app go ahead to give us this as the intro, as the beginning of the movie. Now let me quickly tell the app again. I generate scene 1.2. And also remember to add your ratio, okay? Because we didn't add your ratio. Normally, crowd ChatGPT used to give 16.9. But when you add your ratio and specify the ratio, they will go ahead to generate it. Okay, so I tell the app generate one scene 1.2 for me. Now let me quickly show you what I was trying to tell you that time. Okay, when the crowd gave me the script, I didn't go through the script very well, like I didn't look very well. Now let me let's check our scene 1. While we are waiting for our image to generate, I want to show you something. Okay, this is very nice. Whenever all this app give you script, always make sure you pay serious attention your scene by scene image to check if is like if you have 3 images under one scene, or if you have one image is under, or if you have one image under one scene. Now do you see short, do you see this I'm talking about, short 1.2? Okay, do you see short 1.1 under scene 1 intro room? Do you understand? Now those shots you are seeing here now, that is the images we are to work with. Same thing apply for our sim 2. Same thing apply to all the whole sims. So the crowd give us six images each. So whenever you get your sim by sim image, make sure you pay serious attention. Check if it's 1 image each or 2 images each. Okay, so like this I've already generated the image I want to work with, because normally I'm not here because of the image. I'm here to show you guys the free tool I just find, the free secret website I just find I can use to animate your AI video. Okay, so guys, here is the image you'll be working with. Okay, now without not wasting your time, let's dive in. Now head over to any of your browsing app and go and type this. Okay, but for this video I'll be going with Chrome. You can set to work with Firefox, or you might just name them their meaning. Okay, now when you come to your Chrome, go to sidebar and type this thing you're seeing on the screen. Now when you type it, send it. This is the first one you'll be using with. You see that green white, that's the one you'll be going with. Can you click on it? Now when you click on it, just give it time to load. So like this, now the website downloading. Do you see that start free? Click on that start free. Now when you click on that start free, they'll bring any of your email for you to choose anyone to sign in. Okay, now once you don't sign in, like once you don't choosing any email you want to work with, this is exactly what you see next. Here now they're just trying to ask you some few questions to know what you want to use their website for. Okay, like to know what you want to use their website for. Okay, now this one, now they ask what's your core content creation demand. Okay, go ahead to tell them your core content creation demand. Just tick anyone you want to go with. Okay, now this side now, which social media platform do you mainly create content for? You go ahead to tell, or you go ahead to skip it, anyone you want to go with. Okay, now just skip the part. Now when you come over this part, now this part is for us to start doing the magic. So before we start, let me show you the features you will see in this website. Now click on that arrow you're seeing there. Now here are the models this website are working with. Like these models are working with this website. Mind, you can start to create your 3D, you can start to generate your audio, you can also generate your image. So still under your image, here I see the models you are to use. Like you're going to use this model to generate your images. Do you understand? It's like even a lot of them. But when we come to your video aspect, so here are the models. Okay, but we are going with Cadence 2.0 mini free. That's one we are going with. Okay, you can see even click AI 3. Okay, 0.0 is here. But without not wasting your time, let's head over to the next part. You see that icon you are seeing there. Now choose that pre. That's where we are going to change our aspect ratio. Our image is 9.16. That's why I choose it. Your duration, leave it to auto. Your HD, leave it to 480p. Okay, just leave it. Now you then use their hand to select the resolution and the duration your script is. Then use your hand to select it, leave it. Okay, now go ahead to paste in your prompt. Now when you paste in your prompt, click on that plus sign and head over to your gallery to bring in your image you just generated from ChatGPT. So like this, now our image is loading. Now once our image is done loading, I'm also make some amendment, just animated the script and go ahead to do what to send it. Okay, now while we send it, this is exactly what you will see. Like the app, the website is just loading. Just leave it though. Now once it's in a downloading, they will use their hand to analyze the video you want to generate for you, which you are seeing now. Okay, they have already analyzed it. So now what you do is just kindly wait for video to be ready. Okay, now let me know if this was helpful, and also if you want me to tell you in any other thing, also drop it at the comment section. I'll be there to guide you. So this is our video. So let's just wait for our video to be ready. Now mind you, they will not reach this 5 minutes you are seeing here. Oh. The thing don't used to take time. The thing don't used to take time. So like this now our video is ready. Okay, now let's kindly go ahead to play the video to see the outcome we have, if it's okay. If it's not okay, you can still go ahead to regenerate.
Balogun, my heart is heavy today. Balogun Biyesi, what is troubling you?
So do you see, if you love the outcome, you go ahead to click, you see that download button, you go ahead to click on that download button. But if you don't love the outcome, you still go ahead to regenerate it. Please, the one you should be using is download, not download no more watermark. I'll be there about, okay? I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Oh yeah, bye.